Welcome to Science with Captain Encouragement! Ha 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 ha! Oh, yes! Oh, hey there, everyone. How are you doing? So good to see you. It's me again, Captain Encouragement. And this is Science with Captain Encouragement. Today we're going to learn about how to grow things. That's right. How to make something from a seed to a big, beautiful plant. So we're going to learn with today's experiment, you guessed it, beans. You're going to need only a few things from the house. You need paper towels, tape, beans, water, plastic baggies, and a plate. That's all you need. And with the help of a parent or a guardian, we can make this experiment get underway. Let's go! Like I said, there's a lot of different ways of doing this. We included water because we actually use the water to soak the beans the night before. This helps get the plant started. So what we're going to do next is prep everything else. We continue to use the water with our first paper towel that we're going to fold like this. Put it in the water, get it nice and soaked. There we go. And we're going to pull it out. Oh, there we go. Get a little bit of water out. What do you say? Put it out like that. There we go. And now we're going to get our beans. I'm going to place some beans. Boom, 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 boom. I'm going to put this one over here. And now we're going to fold this in half, just like that. There we go. What we're going to do next is we're going to get our plastic baggie. Put this inside of our plastic bag. Let it go down to the bottom. And looky there! We are almost done. Get all the air out of it. Here, we'll move this plate so you can see. Get all the air out. Leave a little hole right there. As you close it to that point. Push all of the air out. And then close it. There you go. Next up, and the final step, is to use the tape. Now, what do we use the tape for? Well, we're actually going to get some pieces like this. And we're going to hang it up in a window that gets a lot of sunlight. And guess what? That's it. That is all you have to do to get this beautiful project started. And just like that, we are ready. Use this tape and put it up in a window that gets a lot of sun, and we'll see you next time in the next episode of Science with Captain Encouragement. See you later!